Good evening. Welcome to a little quick analysis for Nflx. We'll be watching this going forward here for either a pullback to one of these other Fibonacci retracement levels or a flag continuation move. Now, the flag continuation will basically be a measured move from where the buying initiated down here around 283 to the high of about 325. So that gives us a measured move up to about 357, 358. Now 350 is in between there, so it's a nice round number. It's probably going to have some resistance there simply because it's midway point between 300 and 400. No other reason besides that. This is a momentum play, potential breakout pattern above 325.79 for a move up that high. Now it looks like it's held support at the 23% level, which in my experience at least implies that it's probably going to at least test these highs, maybe even push up much higher and carry on. If it fails to do so, next level I'll be watching here is the 309.5 level and the 304.5. Now those levels also bring into play the daily 8 EMA over here. It's currently 306. Tomorrow, when price action opens up, it'll most likely be up here around 309.5. So if price action does come up there, there's nothing wrong with sitting and waiting for a nice opportunity or a nice pullback to get into. This also will coincide with about where this lower trendline support is going to be if this does develop into a nice flag pattern. So this level here is what I'm really going to be keying on, around 309.5 to 310 area, maybe even down to 304.5. So it's going to be a big range here for Nflx to look for a potential measure move back up here to around 355, 360. That's just a quick little analysis here for Nflx. If it does not confirm support down here, or if it does not break out, then I'll simply ignore it. I don't have to trade this. This is just something that kind of stood out on the chart for me. It's been a high flyer, and I'd like to be a part of it if it provides me the opportunity to do so. If not, no harm, no foul. I'll just simply sit and wait. So that's Nflx for me and my plan. Feel free to leave some questions below. Have a good evening. Good luck.